The Autobond Sheetmaster MFAT is a manually fed laminating machine. It can be built as a dedicated aqueous or a dedicated thermal machine, or as a combination of both technologies. The machine is modular, so that a feeder and a fully automatic sheeter can be added at a later stage. Sheets are manually fed onto a feed table, overlapping the grip edge of the sheet, and up to a side lay, where Habiset belts drive them into laminating rollers. If a misfeed occurs, a photoelectric cell detects the gap and stops the machine, enabling the operator to overlap the sheet and restart the machine. The laminating film is mounted onto an air shaft, which is laterally adjustable, enabling it to cope with various roll widths. The built-in air braking system ensures an even tension on the film. This gives precise control of the film web. The edge of the film is perforated with a rotary perforator. This weakens the film on one edge, enabling the sheets to be easily separated at a later stage. A film slitter on the laminator can be used for trimming down larger film sizes to accommodate smaller sheet widths, thus reducing the necessity to stock many different film widths. With the aqueous option, the machine is fitted with a fully variable adhesive system. This pumps the adhesive from the reservoir container onto the coating rollers. The adhesive is applied using a reverse roller coating method to one side of the film, as it passes between the adhesive rollers. If absorbent or highly sprayed sheets have been printed, the adhesive level, the laminating nip pressure and/or temperature can be increased to help cover the spray. Surplus adhesive flows over the end of the rollers and is recycled into the original reservoir container for further use, minimizing wastage. When fitted with a thermal option, the pre-coated adhesive on the film is activated as it passes over the heated chrome laminating roller. This is then laminated onto the sheets of print using a high-pressure nip. The chrome roller is heated by water from a Swiss temperature control unit, which circulates water at 45 litres per minute to and from the machine. Lamination takes place when the air is expelled between the pressure rollers, when the coated film meets the printed sheets. The sheets become a web, joined together by the film. After lamination, the web is automatically rewound onto rewind rollers on wheels. When full, these can be transferred to the manual sheeter. 2 rewind rollers are supplied with each manual machine, so that production on the laminator can continue. The manual sheeter consists of a pair of pull rollers on a variable speed motor. As the sheets pass through the rollers, the operator pulls on the pre-perforated edge, sheeting the web back to its original sheet form. The sheets then deliver into a vibrating jogger. So, should you purchase an aqueous, a thermal, or a combination machine? The major advantage of aqueous laminating is that raw materials cost about half the price of thermal film. You can use specialist films like acetate, metallized polyester, and iridescent films, and the machine can be run completely cold, thus saving energy. The adhesive coat weight can be altered to suit the print. The downside is the 15-minute wash-up at the end of every day. Running thermal film is much simpler, but the material costs are higher and it uses more energy. If you order a combination machine, the changeover time between options takes approximately 15 minutes. The Sheetmaster can be built as a fully automatic machine, or a manually fed machine can be fitted with a Heidelberg Speedmaster feed head at a later stage. The feed head has separate pickup and forwarding suckers that feed the sheets down the feed table, automatically overlapping the grip edge of the sheet. The coating head is identical to the manually fed machine, but operates at much faster speeds. After lamination, the rewound sheets are placed onto an automatic sheeter, where the web is sheeted back to the original sheet form by a series of adjustable rollers running at faster speeds. The sheets then deliver into a vibrating jogger. Autobond's reputation as the market leader in laminating machinery has come from an in-depth understanding of the printing and laminating industries and their need for high-quality, well-built and totally reliable equipment.